Welcome to Collector's Problems. My name's Casey, and today I will be doing an unboxing of this guy. It is FuRay Planet's Wilderness Hunter Crocker. I got this guy from Big Bad Toy Store. Mostly I got him because I wanted a Leatherhead for my Ninja Turtles figures. And I saw this guy on the Big Bad Toy Store website and I thought, well, that looks pretty good. Looks like he might scale pretty good with the turtle figures that I got. And so yeah, went ahead and picked him up. As you can see, packaging's pretty good. I got some parts rattling around in the box. Hopefully that's not a bad sign. Side pick. A couple of pics of all the accessories he comes with. This is where I'm just gonna strip him down to that. I was a big fan, still am a big fan of the 2012 Ninja Turtles on the Nickelodeon channel. It was one of my favorite cartoons. Still watch it today. It's one that I can just hit play and just let it go and just watch it. And every time I'll rewatch it, it just something new strikes me. But anyway, enough with the packaging. Let's go ahead and open her up. And you guys have a favorite Ninja Turtle series or movie? Leave a comment. Tell me your favorite Turtle series. Alright, empty box. Tell you what, this guy's heavy. Alright, so one of the rattling pieces was a hand. Looks like all the fingers are still intact. Nothing's broke. There's a tray shot for you. Comes with what looks like a comic. Let's take a look. Oh wow, what a nice Ziploc bag. Instructions on how to handle the handcuffs, how to put on his jacket, and it's in English. Right on. Pretty nice. Feels like newspaper. Nice artwork. Yeah, it is a comic. Cool. Well, that'll be fun. Pretty nice artwork. All right, here he is all out of the packaging with all of his accessories. I could tell you, he comes with a lot of accessories, which are really great. They got a lot of great detail in them. And, but he is a big boy and kind of getting some things on him. His tail, kind of a hassle, but worth it. There's a ball joint there. I recommend you probably heat up the socket on the tail. Of course, I didn't do that, and just kind of forced it into place. But I was able to get it in there. And the same thing with his head. He comes with these two different neck positions where you can have him kind of looking to his left or his right, and then you got just the straight looking one. I went with that one for now. But yeah, he can He's got a lot of great articulation, and despite being as big and as heavy as he is, he can stand without actually needing the tail. You can see he's solid. And even though, yeah, being as big as he is and his articulation is limited, but it's still good. You know, he's got the rotation 360 right there at the shoulder, and you can kind of go, if you work it, maybe you might get a little bit more out of it, but got the bicep swivel, and I think he's, yeah, it's even swivel right there. Elbow. The wrists are ball joint, so you get a little bit of articulation. He's got the torso cut, and then the belly cut. You can kind of get a crunch or a ab crunch to him. It's not much, but still. And then there, his knees, not very much. You can get a little tilt on the, not very much, but still good figure though. I like it. I like all the detail. Mouth opens up. Look in there, and a lot of good detail. As far as the paint apps, the only thing I noticed right out of the packaging is this finger. A little bit of paint wear there, but other than that, all the other accessories seem pretty good. Check out his shotgun. No pump action. I'm sure everybody else said how that's a knife. Very nice detail. And then he comes with this holster for the shotgun. You can throw it over his shoulder, position it into place however you like it. Comes with these other extra set of hands, pointy fingers. And then the other ones were action hands, I guess, or grabbing. Very nice detail on them. Good sculpt. And then again with the necks, you can see this one like would be looking to his right. This one would be looking to his left. And they're just plug and pull out. Not really complicated. A sheath for his knife. And it's just got a peg, and it ports on the back of his belt. Nice detail. And even have like the buckles painted on there. Very nice. And then his hat, and it comes with a magnet. You can magnetize on his head. Right there. I won't be using that. Matter of fact, a lot of these I will not be using. Just keep them pretty plain. And then his coat. Very pliable. Not too bad. There's some good detail on there too. Buckles are painted, or the buttons are painted. Very nice. Oh, and then his handcuffs. These I will be using. And this is what I have been waiting for. Here he is with his friends. The Revoltech TMNT. I think he looks pretty good. Towers over them like he should. Very nice. Here he is with the unofficial Ninja Turtles. Not the NECA versions, but still pretty good versions. Recommend them if you don't have them. Looks pretty good. Here he is with the Playmates TMNT with the space suits, where I did a little customization with them. I basically painted them, and then I took some boots from another Leonardo figure and I put those legs on instead. But yeah, as you can see, he scales very well with a lot of different turtles, a lot of different turtle lines. Very happy with him. Even though his articulation is a little limited, you can get him into some pretty good poses. Look at that. Another line he looks pretty good with, the SH Figuarts Spider-Woman, Gwen Stacy. Can we recreate that scene from Across the Spider-Verse when Peter Parker becomes Killer Croc? Looks pretty good. So all in all, I think he's a pretty good figure. He's not perfect, but he's got a lot of good qualities. The paint apps, articulation. Yeah, it's all good stuff. So yeah, if you guys are thinking about getting him, I recommend him. I think he scales well with a lot of different Ninja Turtles, and he probably look good with a lot of other figures too. So, alrighty. I'm Casey at Collector's Problems. Thanks for watching.